Good morning, students. Now, today we will continue with the chapter Gopal and the Hilsa fish, right? So, Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. As you can see in this picture, Gopal with his Hilsa fish in his hands, Gopal began to sing and dance. Inside the palace, the king is listening to all of this conversation that is going on outside the palace. So, the king was trying to listening to all of this conversation that is going on outside the palace. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. So, the king ordered his soldiers to bring that man to him immediately. At once means immediately. Gopal was brought before the king. Then one of the courtiers said, "It's Gopal." Another one said, "The man has lost his mind." And another one said, "I think it's one of his crazy jokes." Now, if you noticed that everybody is still talking only and only about Gopal, but nobody is talking about Hilsa fish. Then the king asked, "All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion?" Now, the king asked Gopal that why are you dressing up like this? What is the problem? Then Gopal said, "Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something." Means now Gopal reminded the king that I think you have forgotten something. The king got surprised and he was thinking forgotten something. Now as you can see in this picture, he was remembering that what he had forgotten, right? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Now, Gopal reminded the king that he had fulfilled his challenge, he has completed his challenge, and from market to the palace and in the court, nobody was interested in Hilsa fish today. Not even a soul has spoken even a word about Hilsa fish. They all were gossiping only and only Gopal. Only then the king remembered the challenge he had forgotten thrown to Gopal. Now, the king remembered the challenge given by him to Gopal, and he said to Gopal, "Ha ha, well Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again." Now, on the victory of Gopal, he was congratulated by the king. So, this was the chapter.